Hey guys, it's Pooja here. Today I'm creating this super trendy latte makeup look. Soft, warm, glowy and perfect for every day. This look is inspired by caramel coffee tone. So if you love natural warm glam, keep watching. First, I start with skin prep. Follow this CTM routine, cleanser, toner and moisturizer. First I clean my face with a face wash, then I apply rose water as a toner. After that I use Nivea moisturizer to hydrate my skin. Now I start my base makeup first. I apply Swiss Beauty highlighter primer for natural glow. Then I apply Maybelline Fit Me foundation shade 128 and blend it well. Then I set my base again properly. After that, I apply Swiss Beauty concealer to brighten my under eye area and blend it properly. Then I set my base nicely. Next, I apply bronzer under my cheekbones to contour my face. Then I apply bronzer on the sides of my forehead and along my jawline. After that, I do a little nose contour. Since I have a round face, I apply my blush a little higher and slightly upward to give a lifted look. If your face is not round, you can simply apply blush on the apple of your cheeks for a natural and fresh look. Next, I use a Swiss Beauty brown eyebrow pencil with a pulley to define my eyebrows. It helps in shaping, filling and blending the brows perfectly for a clean and natural finish. The eye look, I'm using a nude eyeshadow palette. I start with a light transition shade called Draw, applying into my crease to create a smooth and blended base for the rest of the eye makeup. Next, I apply brown kajal on my upper eyelid and waterline and then softly blend it with a brush to achieve a smooth, smoky effect. Then I take a brown shade called Teddy and apply it on the outer corner in a soft V shape, blending it nicely. After that, I gently dab off shimmer on the center of my lid to create a beautiful glow. I go back and reapply brown kajal on my upper eyelid to deepen to the intensity and enhance the overall eye look. Finally, I apply mascara on my upper and lower lash to enhance my eyes and give them a fuller, more defined look. Next, I use loose powder to set my under eye area, which helps in preventing creasing and gives a smooth, long-lasting finish. Then, to add an extra glow, I apply highlighter on my cheekbones, nose tip and inner corner, giving my face a fresh and radiant finish. Finally, for the latte style lips, I first shape my lips using a brown lip liner and blend it well with a brush. Then I apply a sugar pop matte lip color in the shade Cinnamon 25, dabbing it lightly on my lips and blending it for a soft finish. At the end, I add a touch of lip gloss to give my lips a glossy latte inspired look. Here is my final latte makeup look. It's soft, warm and gives that a perfect coffee inspired glow. This look is super easy, elegant and perfect for everyday glam or special occasion. If you like this look, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Follow for more makeup looks. See you in my next video.